You know what the quite a big shift is in the perception that there is hope, that the body can do more than we can imagine. And this
Mhm.
opens that door.
Yes.
It really does.
Right. Right. It's kind of a practical journey through that, and so it maps out, the steps, and you do that, and at some point you'll actually feel that your body is a vehicle of higher manifestation, and
Mhm.
as you feel, so you create.
Mhm.
That's how it is.
Yes, exactly. It's in the
But
feeling. Everything comes from the feeling.
but if you can't feel in your body, then you're not creating the real. You're
Right.
creating the unreal. Yeah.
So just what about the thoughts can create reality, thoughts over yeah. So feelings are more powerful than thoughts, or is that
Well,
just
as Almina's said, thoughts fall into the reservoir of the heart where they act upon things hoped for. So the heart has the field of hope, which opens up a portal. And if your thoughts are resonant with that field of hope, you manifest instantly. But yeah, your field of hope is a field that emerges from deep feeling at one-ment. And that happens when you clear all the layers.